Where's the baby? Peekaboo! No. No. Okay, sorry. Oh, there he is. You wanted to come out. Okay, I'll hide this time. Where's the baby? Peekaboo! No. Sorry. There he is! Seems to disappear pretty quickly. Peekaboo! And there's the baby. You gonna come say hi to Mama? We spend about 20 minutes doing this every day. Sometimes he gets really shrieky. It's fun though. He's happy. Oh, you going bye-bye? You going away? Okay, bye-bye. You don't know what bye-bye is. You're coming back. Sam, do you want to impress your viewers here and show them, hey, Sam, where are your teeth? In your mouth. Good job. Where is your ear? You should I say your ear is? No. Oh no. Oh no. That's trending on a dime. Where's that baby? You're such a silly goose. Yes, that is your train toy. You wanna play? You wanna play? Okay, we can play now. Good job playing peekaboo. Can you say bye-bye? You don't have to go bye-bye, just say it. Just wave.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.